In this video, I will show you how to upload or change your profile picture on LinkedIn app. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open the LinkedIn app. Tap on your profile at the upper left corner. After that, click on View Profile. Then you will get to this page. Click on your profile photo or the blank profile in case you don't have a profile picture yet. Now click View or Edit Profile Photo. Now for me, I just want to show only one photo in my LinkedIn profile, so I will delete this old profile photo. Now click on this blank profile photo. After that, you can take a photo straight from your camera or you can upload an existing photo from your gallery. You can then edit or adjust the photo. Then finally click Save. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.